Okay, guys, so we just gotta call it. We gotta go do a quick job, make some of that money. But man, it's a gorgeous day out here in the Pacific Northwest. It's gonna be like 61 today. Look at this weather. It's beautiful. Haven't had a day like this in a while, so it's quite enjoyable. Definitely gonna figure something out to do after that. We might throw the crazy car in the bed of the truck and just take it with us. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. Maybe we'll go send the crazy car till she snaps something. We'll see. The sun is bright. So gorgeous. Such a beautiful day out here in beautiful Pacific Northwest. Okay, you guys. Getting ready to go do this job real quick. Starting to load up everything. This is the biggest pain in the butt of it all. Just getting the pressure washer in the bed of the truck. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Use that knee to throw it on it. Boom. Okay, let's get on up here. And we gotta pick it up over the reels. Whew, it's heavy. Okay. Okay guys, this is the last thing we need, our special sauce right here, so it gets it done for all them wheels, tires, all that good stuff, fender wells. This is my secret sauce right here, but this is the last thing I'm gonna load up, and then I think we have like an hour until we have to leave, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the truck. Peace. Okay, you guys, we're in the truck getting ready to start her. Got that wait to start signal going. Woo! She's cold. Okay, we gotta run to the gas station, get some diesel real quick, and then we'll be on the road. So, see you guys there. Okay guys, it's like 62 degrees out here. Pretty rare for this time of year in Washington, but I'm gonna be throwing the crazy car in the bed of the truck, going to my buddy's house, so yeah. I don't recommend picking up a crazy car by yourself. You can throw out your back. But I want to drive. This thing's so heavy. Lever up, turn the wheel. Voila. She's in. Now we go. I'm done.
OSha certified.
You like my goggles?
Yeah, them are sweet. Them beer goggles.
Yeah. Fucking hurts.
Just fucking cuts the weld off completely. Whoop.
Shit flames. What'd you say?
She just cuts the weld off completely.
No, you can't do that.
It's just completely.
I welded this bitch big. I mean, they're knocked down pretty good. Quick step test. Yeah, they're staying there. Look like it.
Look at that, professional. Yeah, them are nice. Oh yeah. She ain't finna break now.